Okay, so A to B. Let's pick a card.
And
Gage. I love those cards. They always work. So Gage, what's happening from A to B?
He grows out his hair.
It grows out his hair. Oh, I have something to tell you, by the way. Do you think that this graph represents all your hairs in your head?
no.
Why do you guys think that?
You're very
It's hair length, and all our hairs are different lengths, right?
Yeah.
So this graph is
Okay,
actually
I thought it was
one
hairline.
simple little hair on your head is what we're graphing here. Okay. So, B to C was the tricky one, but I think a lot of you guys got that. Hey, Jonas, what do you know?
Mr. Paletta cut off his 12 inches of his hair.
So you had Mr. Paletta, and he cut off 12 inches of hair, okay?
There?
Perfect, so you got the point. It's a haircut, all right? So you gave me an exact number, right? So that means, what would the number be if you subtracted this from this? 12 inches, right? Because that would be, let's pretend that's like 14 inches. That would be like 2 inches, so a guy's haircut from 14 inches to 2 inches. Everybody see that? Your rise would be 12 inches. And the last one is,
Claire. Who's not here? Eris. Asleep. Andrew.
And that's Amber. Since Andrew's gone, I gotta switch.
Amber. So what's happening from C to D? So she said, so Amber said it stays the same from C to D. So the hair length stays the same, okay? Let's pick one more card. Heather, what do you think is happening from C to D?
I think it's growing because
The graph.
the thing that you guys, that thing with
Because of the, what's the key word again?
The rise.
The slope, the rise is still going up, right? So Amber, if her hair was staying the same, what would that line look like? It would be horizontal, right? Because that means the hair wasn't growing. Because the slope is positive, it has a positive slope, that means that hair is growing. So overall, what's this graph showing us? This is,
It's just showing the length of hair.
what happens, what do you think would happen at D the next time? If this graph kept going,
He cut it again.
he would cut it again. So I think what this is showing is the cycle of your hair. Over and over and over again, it grows, you get a haircut. It grows, you get a haircut, it grows, you get a haircut. Does everybody see that?
Nope.
Okay. This last one is extremely tricky.
Oh my gosh.
So anybody can figure out the story for this one, I will be ecstatic. So this one is money in your bank account, okay? Compared to time,
Oh my goodness.
Compared to what?
okay?
Alright, I got this.
If you guys analyze this step by step, okay? Don't look at it as a whole. Analyze it step by step. I think you guys will be able to figure this out.
We only have a minute.
Doing the whole thing, A to B, B to C, C to D, and answer number 4.
We only have a minute.
We only have a minute.
I'm done. Yes. Thank gosh. Minute. 1, 2, 3 seconds.
Okay, maybe we can do this tomorrow, but let's close for 1 minute, okay? Let's do a closure. So I want a show of hands, we'll take volunteers. What did you guys learn today? Jonas.
I thought one
Well, this graph is crazy. Let's go. So you learned how to make stories out of graphs? Good, who else? Show of hands. Let's pick a card.
John, what'd you learn from the day?
I learned to read graphs better.
To read a graph better? Perfect. Everybody hear that?
Yes.
Read a graph. So when you guys read a book, okay? We all know how to read a book. You go left to right. Graphs you read too.